How to remove old connected devices from Android Bluetooth. This tutorial shows you how to clear out devices you no longer use from your paired list. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Connections. After that, tap Bluetooth. At this point, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on so your paired devices are visible. From here, scroll down to the Previously Connected Devices section to see everything that's been paired to your device in the past. Following this, tap the settings icon next to the device you want to remove. After that, tap Unpair at the bottom of the screen, and the device will be removed from your list straight away. From here, repeat the same steps for any other old devices you want to clear out. Going through this list every now and then is a good way to keep things tidy and make it easier to find the devices you actually use. Finally, keep in mind that once a device is unpaired, you'll need to put it back into pairing mode and connect it from scratch if you ever want to use it with your phone again. That's how you remove old connected devices from Android Bluetooth. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.